Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today we have a docking station to take a look at. This one is from Wavlink. Wavlink sent me this docking station to review and share with you all. So before we get going any further, this docking station was sent to me for the purposes of producing this review. I am not being financially compensated beyond receiving this product for the production of this video, and of course my opinions, as always, remain my own. So this docking station clocks in at 189 Canadian dollars, and its biggest feature or claim to fame is that it will run triple displays, and it will do that over a USB Type-C connection, so this isn't a Thunderbolt rated dock. Let's talk about the ports and what you're actually going to be pushing down over each one of those ports. We have 3 USB-A ports operating at 5 gigabits per second. One of those ports is capable of battery charge standard 1.2, which means that you're going to get 1.5 amps over 5 volts that will charge things like phones a little bit quicker. You have one HDMI port that'll push a 2K display at 60 Hz, the second HDMI port which will push a 4K display at 60 Hz. We have a DVI port that'll push a 2K display at 60 Hz, gigabit Ethernet, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and then of course a USB Type-C port to connect it to your favorite laptop. With that being said, let's open this up and see what we get in the box. So inside the box, we have quite a comprehensive get started guide in a couple of different languages. It also has some FAQ and troubleshooting tips. That'll be handy. Some safety information, some driver download links if we need them. Hopefully we don't. We have a box which contains a DVI to HDMI adapter, so if you want to run 3 HDMI displays out of the box, you can. Here's our power supply, which is a bit chunky for where we would be plugging it in to the wall, so you'll need to budget some space for that. We have another box, and then of course we have the dock in a protective sleeve. We have 2 USB Type-C ports on the front, our headphone microphone combo jack as well as on the front, 2 USB 3.0 ports, one of them being the battery charge 1.2 standard, so you can plug your phone right into the front. Here's the power supply for the dock itself, where we connect the laptop. HDMI 4K is labeled clearly, LAN, DVI 2K, HDMI 2K, all very clearly labeled, and then the 2 USB 3.0 ports on the top. And lastly, in the box here, we have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. And then we also have USB Type-C to USB Type-C, which we would obviously use to connect this to our laptop of choice. Now that we've got all of this out, let's go ahead and build a setup that demonstrates what this thing is capable of. Okay, so we have a dual monitor setup here running off of this ThinkPad P15S. There's 2 major things that we need to talk about. First is this does not provide power. Unfortunately, that will be a huge turnoff, I think, for many people that are looking for a one-cable solution. Out of the box, I'm trying to change over from my recording PC to the third monitor, and that's not working. I've checked the cables, everything appears to be plugged in, so our next stop is going to be trying the driver package and seeing what that looks like. After installing the driver pack from displaylink.com, which is offered by Synaptics, so that's a trusted supplier, we do have all 3 screens working. So regardless of the operating system, it appears that you will need that driver pack, so that's something to keep in mind as well if you're looking to get this unit. One of the things that is nice is that it takes up a very small amount of space on the desktop. It is very unobtrusive. It has all of the ports that you would probably be interchanging in and out on the front. So there's a lot of thought that went into it. Ultimately, though, the lack of power delivery over that USB Type-C connection is going to be probably the biggest decision that you're going to have to make with regards to purchasing the Wavlink triple display universal docking station. For me personally, that would be something that I would probably be seeking an alternate product for. However, if everything about this ticks every single box with the exception of that power delivery issue, then you may look at this and say that this is a perfectly acceptable solution for your work environment. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll leave the debate down to you in the comment section below. Do you think that the lack of power delivery on this is a deal breaker for you, or would you still consider purchasing something like this without power delivery, knowing that you're going to need to continue to use your charger in your desktop environment? I want to thank Wavlink for sending me this product to test, and I want to thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.